Best small dehumidifier for camper van. The best small dehumidifier for a travel trailer is a big help in keeping your belongings safe from mold or mildew, especially if you are traveling for a long period of time. 7 Best Small Dehumidifier for Camper Van. Number 1, Sevon Dehumidifier for 2,200 cubic feet 240 square feet. Number 2, Dehumidifier for Home Corays with 7-color LED light. Number 3, Truden Dehumidifier up to 215 square feet. Number 4, Letsport Dehumidifier for Home, up to 480 square feet. Number 5, Sevon Electric Dehumidifier for Home, 225 square feet. Number 6, Tenergy Sorby 1000 ml Air Dehumidifier with air purifying function. Number 7, Tenergy Sorby Mini Dehumidifier.